I'm made of metal. Right, loser? Hey guys, what's really mini flower at the front? Sunflower sunshine. It's the glue. Over $5. That can't be right. Yup, my friend is alright. Hey, yeet blocky yo-yo land. What is a mini flower? I learned. Someone help. You're kidding me. Who are you? Cool. And your forehead is your target. Back. We go. 999. Wait, you're the guy who bullied us. Huh? Uh-huh. No, don't remember who bullied us. Hey, Rocky. Wait. Hey, Rocky. What's up? Hold up. Yes, I voiced good. Memory. Cool. Rossi. What memories are cool? The cringe. We have to kill the cringe. Don't have limbs, okay? He's my clone. I'm not. Clone. He's lying. Yum yum yum. Hey, stop eating my lunch. Oh wait, true. Oh no! Clutches Billy finger. Flower with ball. And don't want twin. Yeah, but what about lava? Eat mac and cheese. I'm currently trapped in a closet in reality. Okay. just wanted it later. Ow! Oh my gosh, how did I shrink it? I can't. Just jump. Whoa, what's that character? I've never seen that character before. Angry objects time. But wait, that's Ike. Angry objects. Yeah. What are you still? I decided that's flowers. Oh my gosh. Also for real, I have my tummy's hurting. Don't worry, that was a fake. Wait, don't worry, that's a fake. You teased me when I thought you were on roleplay. Dead. Wow, Rocky. XD. Hungry bits. Baby glitch. Also, that wasn't a curse word. It's just bit. B-I-T. What? We don't have time for that. So that's why my memories are backed up. Tags. Oh, wait, tags. Wait. No death. It's probably a different grassy place. There we go. No, haven't felt me. Death? I feel like someone wants to kill me. Ooh, AFK. Eats gelatin. 9 plus 10 is 21. Yes, completely true. I know that. I guess it's time to go. But for fun, I want to voice Mark for fun. Stay P. Will you play toss the dude with me?